Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to detect human activity using YOLO segmentation. So before we move to our practical friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Also please become a member of the channel. It will really help to create a more and more interesting topic videos. So please become a subscriber. Also click on the join button and become our channel official member. So as I mentioned, today we will detect human activity. I will mention the link. Simply copy paste the link inside web browser, then go to the code and click on download zip. It will download our zip format repository. So we successfully downloaded our repository. Open the file manager, go to the downloads. This is what our repository. Right click and click on extract all. Click on extract. It will extract our repository. So YOLO seg human activity main, this is what our repository, and vid.txt is basically the text file link which is from the mega cloud. So copy the link and we will open the web browser, new tab, Ctrl+V, hit enter. It will open the mega cloud link, and then just click on download, and we will download our video file. So our video file is now downloading. So we successfully downloaded our video file. Let's just close the mega cloud link and go to the downloads. This is what our video file. Cut it and open repository and then just paste it. So let's just first watch our video file. So friends, as you can see, this is what our video file, and our goal is to detect human activity. So in this particular video I will detect two human activity. One is basically normal walking, okay, so one is normal walking, and another one is like touching something, okay. So let's just say this man is touching a product, we can say touching the product. So the class which I will create here, walking and touching and seeing something. So right now this man is touching, also the man is basically seeing the product. So the class which I will create here, which is the walking and touching and seeing. Simple. You can create more classes, but for demo purpose I will create only two classes, which is the walking. Simple. Let me show you here. Walking is the default class. Let's just say walking. As you can see, the person is walking, and then touching something and seeing something. Simple. So this is what my goal. From this particular scenario we will create our own custom segmentation model which segment human activity. Let's just say walking and seeing and touching. So this is what our goal. Let's just close it. Now for that, first we want to create a data set. So for data set we will use the video file itself. So we will send the video file to RoboFlow. For that we will open RoboFlow. So this is the website, roboflow.com. Just search it, roboflow.com. Click on get started, and here you have to sign up with your Gmail account. So continue with Google. Click on continue with Google. So then sign in or sign up. As you can see, I have signed up with my Gmail account, and then here you can create your new project. So let's just say, because I have here already one more project, so I will delete the old project and I will create a new project. So just sign up with your Gmail account, and then here you will see this kind of simple dashboard. Click on new project. Project name, mention any. I will mention YOLO 11, and then annotation group, mention any object, okay, object. So project name, anything you want. Annotation group, just mention object or anything. Then, because as I mentioned we will use here a segmentation method, so we will select project type is instance segmentation. So select it, instance segmentation. click on create public project, then it will create the project. So basically now we want to upload our video file, so click on select file and go to the repository, means our project folder, and then just select the video file. That's it. It is really easy. And then here you will see this kind of window. So now we want to select how many images we want from this video. In real scenario, friends, if you want a more strong model, you need more images, but this is just a demo purpose, that get the idea how you can create your own model which detect human activity. So for that we will just, let's just say I will go with 87 images is more than enough for demo purpose. So it will create 87 images. Then just click on choose frame rate. You have to mention here a number manually. Let's just say like this way, there is no number, so I will mention 87. So it will generate the 87 images. Click on choose frame rate. Now it will create 87 images from our video file itself. So now it's creating the images. Simple. So we have now images. We want to save all those images on RoboFlow. So just click on save and continue. So friends, we uploaded our images. Now here we want to select start labeling, because we are labeling our images. So click on start labeling, and then here you have to mention your Gmail ID. So mention your Gmail ID, click on assign to myself, and then annotating. You will see this kind of 3 sections. We want to annotate our images. So annotating 87 images which we have, click on start annotating, and then it will automatically open this tool page where we are going to annotate our images. So let's just start. So let's just close all this thing. This is just their ads, okay, what tools they have. So just close it. So now friends, here we will use this tool, which is the smart polygon tool. Okay, you can select bounding box, you can select polygon tool. So if you select the polygon tool, you can simply draw manually the polygon, but right now we will use automatic polygon tool. So for that I will select this tool, smart polygon. So just select it, click on it. Now we selected the smart polygon tool. Now as I mentioned friends, I will create here only 2 classes, walking, seeing and touching. Seeing and touching means the man or woman basically touching something and seeing. So let's just say this woman is right now walking. So what we want to do, we want to use this tool and just move it over here. Your mouse cursor, as you can see, your mouse cursor is basically the arrow. You have to move here on the woman, and then you will see there is a red color mask on that particular woman. It means we selected the object. It means we selected the woman, that woman particularly, and then just left click of your mouse button, just left click. It will automatically draw the polygon. It will automatically draw the polygon, and then here you will see this kind of small tool, smart polygon. Click on finish, and now we will create our class. So what is our class? This woman is normally walking right now. So I will say walking. Walking. Remember one thing friends, I will creating here only 2 classes. You can adjust your classes. You can create more and more classes. This is just a demo purpose. So I have mentioned here a walking. So this is what my walking class, and then you will see create class walking. So just click on it and it will create walking class. You will see here the class is walking 1. Walking 1 means we selected only one woman and the class is walking. As simple as, let's just say this person is what doing. So let's just say, I will say here this person is seeing and let's just say this person is seeing, only seeing and touching also. So I will go here, select the man, click on finish, and I will say here class name, which is the seeing and watching. Okay, you can create anything you want. Let's just say I will create here only seeing, because this person is only seeing something, not touching. So seeing is my class. Select it, or let's just say instead of seeing, let's just say watching. Okay, watching. So click on create class. Now I have created one more class, which is the watching. So this person is watching. This woman is also watching something, and in her hand there is a object also. So now what I will do, I will select it. Simple, this woman, I will select it. It will, because we selected smart polygon tool, so we have to only move the mouse cursor over there, left click, and then it will automatically draw the polygon we selected. Here it is, as you can see, there is red color polygon, means we selected that particular person. Click on finish, and you can mention your class. So as I mentioned, this class, let's just say watching and touching, or let's just say touching and watching, touching hyphen watching. Click on it. So now we created 3 classes, and we will continue these 3 classes. First is normal walking, only watching, and then touching and watching. So these 3 classes is my main classes. We will categorize all the person action in these 3 classes. So we have done with the first image. Now go for next image, click on it. Here also this woman only walking. So what we will do, simply move your mouse cursor, it will selected. As you can see, it's selected. There is a red color mask, means we selected that particular person. Click on it, the left click, click on finish, and now you have to select what is this class. So this is class the walking. So select it, walking, done. We selected walking 1, means this one. As you can see, if you go here and if you touch the walking, you will see that the name is over here, walking. Now this person is also walking. Just move cursor, you will see red color mask, left click of the mouse, finish it, select walking class. Now this woman watching and touching, because as you can see, she is something touching, also the watching. So just move your mouse cursor over there, left click of the mouse, it will automatically draw the polygon because we selected the smart polygon tool. Click on finish, and what is the class? Touching and watching. Touching and watching. This woman only watching. Select it, finish it, only watching. Go for next image. Now this person walking. Okay, so select it, finish, walking. This woman walking, finish, walking. This woman we can clearly see watching and touching. So select it, okay, select it, finish, and touching and watching. So now friends, here it is, as you can see, for this woman it selected her hands separately, because in touching and watching we have two objects selected, but there is only one object, which is this woman. So this hand is extra annotated, so we want to delete that extra annotation. Simply what we will do, move the mouse in that particular annotation, right click and delete it. Delete it, just delete it. It will delete extra annotation, and what we will do, we will increase this annotation. So for that, let's just say I will delete again, and what I will do, I will simply select here, click on it, and then again if there is an extra annotation, just right click and just stretch it, just stretch it. Let me show you again. Delete it, go here, or let's just say here. Okay, now her hand only selected, left click. As you can see, her hand only selected now, but I want to go here also. So what I will do, I will just go here and I will click here. As you can see, the polygon is automatically increase. Okay, so now just finish it, and then here you will see touching and walking 1. So which is this woman. I hope you all clear. If there is a extra annotation, you have to simply go there, right click and delete it. Simple. Now go for next image. You can cross check touching and watching one person, walking 2. Go for next image. Here touching and watching, again select it. We selected, we want to increase the annotation. So what we will do, we will go here, just left click, it will increase. Simple. Click on finish, touching and watching 1 class. This person also touching and watching, select it, finish it, touching and watching class. Done. So we have touching and watching 2 class. Go for next image. Here touching and watching again, selecting the woman, go here, just left click, it will fully increase the polygon. Click on finish. What is the class? Touching and watching. Here also touching. This woman is now only watching. So finish and let's just say watching class. And this person is only watching. So select it, finish it, only watching class. Go for next. Watching same way, selected person, finish it, watching. This woman, select it, finish it, watching. This woman still watching and touching. So select it, go here, left click, it will increase the polygon tool. Click on finish. What is the class? The class is touching and watching. That's it. So this is how I will annotate all 87 images. Okay friends, so let me complete this process. So friends, we have done with annotation process. We completed our annotation process 87 to 87. Okay, so here touching and watching 1 2 3 4 and 1 person is walking. Now we have done with annotation process. Now we will click on the project name. So our project name is YOLO 11. As you can see, when you move your cursor over here, it is highlighted YOLO 11. Just select it. Then here you will see unannotated 0, means there is no unannotated image. All the images are annotated. 87. Add 87 images to dataset. So just click on it. Then method, from method we will select split images between train, valid and test. So select the method split images between train, valid and test. It will split the images. As you can see, it splitted the images. Click on add images. So we successfully add our images. Now here you will see the dataset 87, means we have 87 images as a dataset. Now click on version and then pre-processing, just continue. Okay, and in augmentation just click on add augmentation step and we will select here this one 1 2 3 4 rotation. Okay, or you can just select this one also, this one 1 2 3 4. I will select here rotation. So select it rotation. Okay, you can adjust the rotation over here. Okay, but don't go where you will see the warning. So this one is perfect. Okay, rotation. Click on apply and then click on continue in augmentation and then in create click on create button. Now it will create our zip code. Meanwhile we need our Google Colab. So let me open Google Colab. So I have opened Google Colab. As you can see, welcome to Google Colab. Just click on it. It will open our Google Colab. Here I have already created the model. That's why there is already some files, the Colab file. So I will remove it. So just click on this icon, delete icon, or let's just say clear history. As you can see, clear history, just click on it, click on yes, click on it again, click on yes, it will clear the history. Now we want to upload our own collab file which I have mentioned inside the repository. So click on upload, click on browse and go to the downloads. This is what our project folder, and select the collab file, YOLO 11 segmentation. Select the collab file, click on open. Now it will upload our collab file. So we uploaded our collab file. Here you will see this kind of tab, just close it and then go to the runtime, change runtime type, select Python 3. From hardware accelerator we want to select T4 GPU, you can simply select CPU, but we will create the model which is the segmentation model, so we need a T4 GPU, so just select it T4 GPU, click on save and then click on connect. So we connected. Now we will run our cell one by one. So first cell, click on play button, then the next cell, click on play button. It will install Ultralytics. So friends, we successfully install Ultralytics package. As you can see, there is a green tick mark, means we successfully run our cell. Now go for next cell where we are going to import our package. Click on play button, done, then again scroll down. Now here we will cross check if Ultralytics is perfectly installed or not. So for that we will use YOLO 11 s.segmentation model along with the doc.jpeg image from RoboFlow. So let's just click on the play button. It will run our cell. It will detect the object from doc.jpeg image, and then it will show what object we have inside this image. So we have one person, one car, one dog, two dog, one backpack. So the image result is basically saved inside runs, segment and predict. So if you click on this small folder icon, there is a runs folder, then inside that we have segment, and then inside that we have predict folder. So predict, inside predict there will be image. Okay, let me make again runs, segment, predict. As you can see, there is an image, doc.jpeg image with the segmentation, and there is a rectangle. Simple, done. Now here in this section we want to mention our RoboFlow dataset code. So here this from to YOLO 11, just select it, delete it. Now here we want to mention our new code. So open RoboFlow where we left. This is the page. Go to the download dataset, select format txt, okay, txt, this one txt, scroll down this txt, and we will select YOLO v11, select it YOLO v11, and then show download code. There is no need to create also train model, just uncheck show download code, click on continue. It will create the zip format code which we want to paste inside the collab machine where we delete the from to YOLO 11. Here it is, as you can see. Now again we have the code which is start from, so just select it from to from and YOLO 11, copy it, and then here pip install RoboFlow. We are here, as you can see, there is a cursor, blink it, just press Ctrl+V and run the code. It will create dataset directory, and inside that it will copy paste our RoboFlow folder, our project folder, which is the name YOLO v11. Now we have done. If you click on small folder icon, as you can see, there is a dataset folder which we created, mkdir command. Inside that we have YOLO v11, YOLO 11 project folder name, and then we have data.yaml file, which is the main file. Double click on it, it will open this data.yml over here, and here as you can see there is a classes touching, watching, walking and watching. This is the classes which we created. Now train val test. So this is the three folder, test, train, valid, which we want to mention over here, means the path. So first folder is basically train. So train, if you go here, there will be three dot, click on it, copy path, come here data.yml, remove the old path, press Ctrl plus V, it will paste the path. Just copy paste the folder path. So val means valid, 3 dot, click on it, copy path, remove the old path, Ctrl plus V, paste it. Again same way, test, 3 dot, copy path, test, Ctrl plus V, paste. Done. So we mention our path. Now still we are inside our data.yml file. As you can see the blinker. Now press Ctrl plus S and save the data.yml. Ctrl plus S and save the data.yml file. Now this is the code where we are going to start our training, custom training. So data is equal to data.yml file path. So this is the data.yml file path. So this is basically the old path. So we will remove data is equal to the old path and we will go here 3 dot, copy path, and data is equal to, press Ctrl plus V, it will paste our new data.yml file path. Epoch 100, image size 640, done. Click on play button. Now it will start our training. So friends, our training is started. It will take some time. Let's just wait. So friends, when the process completed, you will see this kind of last as an end. Okay, we have all the classes and our model, which custom model, which save inside runs, segment and train. Just click on this small folder icon. There is a runs folder, you will see. Let me make again like this way. So this is what by default it look like, runs, segment and train. So go to the runs, segment, train. Then inside that we have weights and inside that best.pt. So this is what our model, best.pt. Click on 3 dot, click on download, and it will download our instance segmentation model. As you can see, we downloaded. Now let's just close all these things, open the downloads. This is what our model, best.pt. Right click, cut it, go to the project folder and then paste it. Now open YOLO 11 seg-track.py code. Inside that I have mentioned the code. Here you want to mention the video file name, cv2.video capture. What is the video file name? Human act. Right click, rename, just copy it, open Sony Python IDE and then remove the old video file name, press Ctrl plus V, it will paste our code. Now first we want to install the packages. Let's just save the code. So for that, this is the Sony Python IDE. Just open Google Chrome, search for Sony Python IDE, download the Sony Python IDE. Then just open the YOLO 11 seg-track.py Python code with the help of Sony Python IDE. Go to the tools, manage packages, OpenCV-Python. This is the first package, OpenCV-Python. Click on search on PyPy. It will search for the package. First package, click on install button, done. It will install OpenCV-Python. Then we need Ultralytics package, this one, Ultralytics. Search for Ultralytics, hit enter. First package, click on install button or upgrade button. If there is a upgradation, it will upgrade the Ultralytics. I have already installed the Ultralytics. Then we need CV zone package, hit enter. CV zone first package, click on install button, done. It will install CV zone. So this is how we need all those packages: OpenCV-Python, Ultralytics and CV zone. We mention our video file, we have our model. Now what we will do, we will simply, let's just first here CV2 wait key 1, I will mention 0 because we will skip our frame manually pressing the space button from the keyboard. Now it will run our code and we will have our frame where we have our instance segmentation. And as you can see friends, we have mask, we have rectangle and we have class name. So watch, this person is walking. Now this person is touching and watching. this person is touching and watching. As I mentioned friends, so we created here touching and watching, okay. And this woman, as you can see, it's walking, but I have mentioned because she is something watching. So you can simply mention here like walking and watching class. Not only watching class, you can mention like walking, the person is walking along with the watching. So I have only mentioned here watching. As I mentioned, you can change, but with the help of this code you will get the idea. Okay, watching, now watch. She is touching something, so I have mentioned here touching and watching class. This woman is still walking. Now this person ready to walk. As you can see, this woman is touching and watching, simple. Now she is watching, okay. Now she is taking something from here, so I have created touching and watching class. Now look, this woman is walking, this person is walking, simple. So now as you can see, she is taking something in her hand, so I have mentioned touching and watching class. This man touching and watching, she is watching, okay, she is watching. Now then when watch here, now what she is doing, touching and watching, this person walking, okay. Now here watch, this man touching something, so touching and watching, this woman is watching, okay. As I mentioned, you can simply create watching and walking. Now she is touching something, so touching and watching, okay. Now this is how friends you can create human activity detection project with the help of YOLO instance segmentation. As I mentioned, you can increase more images, you can add more classes, like as I mentioned, watching and walking, and watching, or watching and touching, simple. So it is completely depending upon how you want to train your model, what is your class requirement, what is your label requirement. I have mentioned here walking, watching, you can mention watching, walking. Then I have mentioned touching and watching, simple. But the main thing is what, for human activity detection, mainly you have to go with instance segmentation, because instance segmentation work with the object shape, okay. Because here every time the body shape is changing, so you can train the model using instance segmentation, simple. As you can see, this person touching and watching. Now this woman is watching. Now she is watching, still watching, as you can see. Now she is walking, this person is walking, as you can see. Here he is touching and watching, she is touching and watching, as you can see, touching and watching. This person is walking, she is here, as you can see, she is touching this plate, so touching and watching. This man is touching and watching, and this man is, as you can see, the walking. So this is how friends, I have mentioned the full code along with the video file. I will mention the model also. You can create your own model, because I have created the video with full training how you can use the RoboFlow. I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.